100,000 welcomes to the glorious Shannon Region. Shining with beauty on Ireland's west coast, there is so much to be found here. From picturesque villages, medieval castles, breathtaking landscapes, and incredible cliffside views as far as the eye can see. Our experts can help you navigate through the top destinations, as well as a few of our local favourites along the way. Dubbed the most beautiful place in Ireland, the UNESCO-listed Cliffs of Moher must surely be at the top of everyone's Emerald Isle bucket list. Whether you opt to admire the spectacular vistas from above or see the bluffs rise over 650 feet from below on a scenic cruise, our local specialists will be on hand to explain the myths behind these famous rock formations that have inspired artists, musicians and poets for centuries. Bunratty Castle stands on the site of a Viking trading camp that dates back all the way to 970. The most complete and authentic castle structure in Ireland, offers a folk park that features over 30 buildings to explore, recreated and furnished to display exactly as they would have appeared once upon a time. Once an operating airport during World War II, Foynes Flying Boat and Maritime Museum hold decades of history inside its riveted walls. Wander through the exhibits, memories and life-size replicas of what travel used to look like in the 1930s and build up a thirst for a traditional treat in the place where Irish coffee was invented. Hop on for a tractor ride across 500 acres of Irish farmland, comprised of scattered limestone fragments, livestock and historical remains. Our dynamic local guides will teach our guests everything they know about cultivating these grounds with sustainability and conservation at the forefront of their amazing techniques. Dress up and dine in luxury at Dromoland Castle's landmark restaurant, where award-winning cuisine and silver service combine to create a magical experience. Brenda will handle the reservation and transportation details, so the only thing you'll have to worry about is which of the 6 courses on their tasty menu you'll enjoy most. On a Doolin food tour, enjoy delicious samples and gain insights into the processes that go into making local Burren produce. Learn about salmon smoking at the world-renowned Burren Smokehouse. Listen to the story of a brewer and his locally made craft beers before visiting Russell's Fish Shop for some of the best fish and chips in all of Ireland. Built in the 16th century, the magnificent Dromoland Castle is one of Europe's finest luxury castle hotels, blending elegance and comfort with history and romance. The exquisite halls and grounds of this stunning Renaissance structure are lifted straight from the pages of a fairy tale. With impeccable service, immaculate décor, and wealth of modern amenities and activities to experience, a stay at this remarkable castle is an indulgence every Brendan guest should consider. The family-run Fitzgerald's Woodland House Hotel and Spa provides modern comforts, farm-to-fork sustainable dining, and 44 acres of grounds for guests to explore. Relax at the spa, explore the organic garden, or even visit the small pet farm in this beautiful, authentically Irish location. Adare Manor is a neo-Gothic architectural masterpiece. Once the family seat of the Earls of Dunraven, today it is cherished as a warm and welcoming 5-star luxury resort. Defined by its spectacular setting, authentic historic character, and a wealth of estate activities to enjoy. This is just a taste of what's on offer in the Shannon region. There's so much more to experience no matter what your interests are. Guided by our mantra of taking you personally, our experts will help you get the most out of this region and help handcraft the perfect Celtic itinerary.